Dear fellow comrades, I greet you all. I am reporting from our office in Gulu City. Call me Okelo Samuel Sebi, aspiring LC5 chairman Gulu. And as you can see, last night, the army, a group being led by army, they blocked this road. You can show to people, let them see. They blocked this road and they blocked the other one, that side, the other side of the route, and they came and broke into our place here in Gulu. I know the intention of doing this is just to disorganize our party with the mobilization for the coming of our president, His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu. And their main intention of doing this thing is just specifically to make sure that this place must be a crime scene so they can seal off the entire place. And that is their plan. They want to seal off the area, that this area is a crime scene area. We want to say this, that the people who did this, they are those who should be keeping the law, but they are the ones breaking the law. They destroyed the CCTV camera, and we got the information that they have ordered the owner of these cameras not to give the footage to anybody. Even when we asked them for the footage, they refuse to give us the footage. That they have been instructed not to give the footage to anyone. Comrades, I want to say that what is happening is very unfortunate, because we have now reached to a point where the regime is now in a panicking mood. Because what will they going to gain by destroying our office like this? What will they going to gain? What will benefit them by this? What will they going to benefit out of? It is very, very unfortunate that those in the security, they have become insecurity to us. It's very unfortunate. But I want to tell you, be strong in a battle. When you see your enemies, they are in a panic, you know you are the one winning. So it is us who are winning. I want you to be very strong, and I want you to know that the struggle we are in, our president will win. Whether they broke our office like this, whether they arrest some of us, whether they do what, we are going to win. We cannot be intimidated. This kind of intimidation, it will not going to take them anywhere. This kind of intimidation, it will going to help our people to know how strong we are. As people of Uganda, of course, we are more stronger than anything. So I want to thank all of you, and we are so grateful that the direction we have taken is the right direction. And I will kindly request all of you, let us keep on with the struggle. They want to surround this place as a crime scene, and that is why they broke into our office. The intention of breaking our office is to surround the area as a crime scene. But as leaders, we say no, we are not going to report this. Since it is the security who did these things, we shall not report a criminal to a criminal. Okay? We shall not going to do that. What we are just going to do is to continue with our organization to see that our president come and officially open our office, because they want to block President Bobi Wine from opening our office, and that is what they want. They want to block him from opening the office, but their plan will not going to work, because we are not going to do that. If they think that we are going to fall into their traps, then they are wrong. We are a generation of the 21st century, and we are in 2025. We are not of those one of 1986. So you should know that we are not those of 1986. We are ahead of you guys with all your reason. Your time, you do your things without knowing computer. But for us now, we are ahead of you because we are very good in this game you are playing. So the struggle will continue, and we shall make sure that President will come and open this office. Thank you so much. Tuerowa, tuero padano, tuero padano, tuerowa. People power, our power. Our power, people power.